So if ROS servers are not loading for you, don't worry, this issue is usually related to Steam cache, DNS settings, or network glitches. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that solve this problem for most users. Let's get started. Step 1. Clear Steam download cache. Open Steam, then click Steam top left, then Settings, then Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache, confirm, and log back in. Step 2. Change DNS settings. Open View Network Connections, then right-click your active network, then Properties. Select IPv4, then Properties, then set DNS to preferred 8.8.8.8, alternate 8.8.4.4. Save changes. Step 3. Flush DNS. Search command prompt, right-click, then run as administrator. Type ipconfig.flushdns and press enter. Step 4. Restart your PC. Restart your computer and relaunch Steam and ROS.